In this video, you will learn how to create a ticket in ClickUp. First, navigate to the right space and folder in ClickUp. Log into your ClickUp and navigate to the space where you would like to create a ticket. If you have a different folder or list, choose the appropriate one based off your workflows. Create a new task, such as a ticket. In a list view, click the New Task button at the top of the screen. Alternatively, in the board view, you can click the plus icon to add a new task. Title the ticket. Give your ticket a clear title describing the issue or request. The title will help you and your team identify the task very quickly. Add a task description. Task descriptions can be useful to add more detail for the information about the ticket. This information can include steps to reproduce the problem, the issues and request details, any other relevant information that will help you resolve the ticket. Assign the ticket to a team member. In the Assign field, assign a ticket to a specific member of your team or yourself who will be responsible for resolving this ticket. Set priorities. ClickUp allows you to set priorities of the ticket, such as medium, high, and low, to help prioritize tasks. Add custom fields. If your team uses field customs for tracking tickets, such as issue types, customer impact, or severity, you can add them to the bottom of the task. Set a due date. If the ticket needs to be resolved in a certain date or time, you can set a due date for the task. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.